Good evening, everyone. I'm Chris Cato in for Mark Wilson.
And I'm Allie Corey. Thanks for joining us. We begin with this tonight, fighting for his job. Just days after being removed from office by Governor DeSantis, suspended state attorney Andrew Warren is speaking one-on-one with Fox 13. He sat down with our Gloria Gomez today, and she joins us now live from the Tampa courthouse. So, Gloria, I know he had a lot to say. Tell us a little bit about it.
You know, Warren says he was blindsided by the suspension. He says the governor is abusing his power. He says he's being pretty much punished for speaking his mind, and that should worry everyone. 4 days after Andrew Warren's bombshell suspension by Governor Ron DeSantis as Hillsborough County's top prosecutor, he is more determined and defiant as ever. You seem really angry.
I am angry. Everybody should be angry.
Explain that.
Well, look, I was blindsided by this plot to illegally oust me from office. Armed deputy comes in, tells me I have to leave the building immediately with no warning, no time to look at the order, no time to gather my things. I couldn't even grab my house keys.
So you're fighting this?
Absolutely. We're fighting this 1,000%.
Good morning. Thank you.
The governor announced Warren's removal from office during a press conference last Thursday. In the governor's order to suspend Warren, he accused him of neglect of duty and vowing not to prosecute women who seek abortions and the doctors that provide them. Warren was among 90 prosecutors across the country that signed on to the pledge after Roe v. Wade was overturned by the U.S. Supreme Court. The governor also points to Warren's commitment not to criminalize minors for sex change operations.
There is no case before my desk regarding abortion or gender-affirming health care. In fact, the abortion law in question has been ruled unconstitutional, and the transgender statement, there's no law in the books. I mean, this is Orwellian thought police, where I'm being punished for not enforcing a law that doesn't even exist. It's hard to fathom. An elected official can't speak out on an issue that's important to his job without fear of punishment by the governor. Who is it that can only say what King Ron allows? Businesses? Teachers? Public servants? Who's next? You know, the free state of Florida sure doesn't seem very free to a lot of us.
Have you ever heard of a case where a governor removes a twice elected state attorney?
Yes, in Russia, in Venezuela, in North Korea. I'm sure it happens all the time there.
But here in the States?
No.
Unprecedented.
This is totally unprecedented for America.
Warren also says that he's putting together a legal team. He says he expects to have some sort of legal response in the next week. What that is, Allie, we don't know yet. He wouldn't share that, but clearly stay tuned for the next chapter in this one.
And we know you will continue to cover it. All right, Gloria Gomez live for us tonight. Thanks, Gloria.